everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cindy and you're watching Little Star Plans. Grab a cup of coffee or tea and let's journal with me in Hobonichi Cousin. Today I will show you one way to create a memory spread in your Hobonichi in an expensive way. For those who don't have Hobonichi Cousin, you can definitely use this method in other planners as well. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. All you need is printer paper and glue stick. That's all you need. Print out your favorite photos onto the pages, cut them out, arrange them, and glue them in your spread. Here I am arranging my photos in a way that I want the photo to look in my spread. I had a limited spacing at the bottom of the page. It is a bit tight, but I can manage to make it work for me. I printed my photos that were taken over the weekends. The photo didn't turn out as what I expected because for some reason it printed these lines that goes across the page. It sort of gives it a really nice touch to it, so I'm fine with it without reprinting the photos again. It sort of reminds me of Instagram filter, if you guys know what I mean. I have always admired others' journal with printed photos in their spreads, but I never actually got the chance to really invest into like a printer that prints photos for your planners. I drew in the important date with my white gel pen. I was hoping to achieve the glowing effect wording against the dark background. I found out that this white gel pen wasn't as good as I thought it would be. After that's done, I glued them down individually to my planned ideal placement. Tell me in the comments below, do you use photos in your planner spreads? And how do you memory plan? Let me know and how you guys do that. Lastly, I started using the same gel pen and another pen to draw some stars and other circles on the photos. I think it really gives this a nice touch to my photos. I hope you enjoyed this journal with me and my Hobonichi cousin. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!